welcome to my channel. My name is Seb and I'm the founder of BotBlitzers. We run an AI Chatbot Agency. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how easy it is to create an AI chatbot for your website and business. We will be covering the basic foundations. First of all, to test out our AI chatbots for free, you need to go to BotBlitzers.com. From there, you just need to scroll down to the pricing table where you'll find free trial. You then just click on free trial. This will take you to the Stripe payment page, but you don't need to pay anything. All you have to do is just put in your email and click start free trial. This will redirect you to the BotBlitzers sign-in page, or where you can sign up as well. Okay, so let's sign up with the account I used on Stripe. You can either sign up with Gmail or use another email address. So for this case, I'm going to sign in with Google, and it was that one. And now you're in. This is the interface for BotBlitzers when you sign up. So let's start and create an AI chatbot. All you need to do is go to new chatbot. You will then be taken to the data sources page. This is where you train the AI on various data sources for your business. You can train the AI to read files such as PDF, Doc, DocX and TXT. You can upload multiple files, but each one needs to be under 10 megabytes. If you have too many different ones, the AI may get confused. Next up, we have text. Here you can paste in any text from a website, a document, or you can type in any additional information. Next up, we have website. Here you can train the AI to scrape websites. You can add in your main domain, which will find all the URLs under that domain, or you can add in a sitemap. You can also add in multiple domains and sitemaps. You can also upload a CSV file with website URLs. Next, we have Q&A. This stands for questions and answers. Sometimes the AI may provide responses you're not happy with. You can either revise that answer or add it in here. So when that question is asked again, the AI will know what to respond with. And last but not least, we have Google Sheets. This is one of the most accurate ways for the AI to read data. I'll be making a separate tutorial in another video for Google Sheets. So for this demo, let's scrape a website. So you just go to the website tab. I will scrape my own website for this example. Please note that the more URLs there are to scrape, the longer it will take. So let's put in my website here, BotBlitzers.com. We then click fetch links. This usually takes a few seconds depending on how many URLs there are. Okay, any second now. And there you go, it's found 7 links for us. You will find all the URLs if you scroll down a little bit. You can select all the links to be scraped by clicking select all, or manually choose each one, like that. Or you can delete the ones that you don't want. For example, I don't want the AI to scrape cookies, terms of use, privacy policy or video tutorials, and contact. I only want the home page and the about page, so I just select these two. Once you have finished, you just click create chatbot. As it's only 2 pages, it will analyze the data very quickly. Okay, so that only took around 10 seconds. We are now greeted with the main chatbot interface dashboard. From here we have many features that will allow you to perfect your chatbot and make it align with your business. So let's go over them briefly. If we go to settings, on the left hand side we have a few options. Here you can name your chatbot, so let's call it BotBlitzers. Hit save. And you'll see now at the top it says BotBlitzers. Let's check out the next tab, which is Flow Builder. For the free trial, the Flow Builder feature is unavailable, but let's see what else is going on here. First of all, we have options for the language model. We have multiple prompt templates that you can choose from, such as sales, customer service, appointment booking, and custom template. You can customize any of these templates. Custom template allows you to create your own blank prompt template from scratch. For starters, I'd recommend the sales service template. Next we have the safety prompt switch. This is an excellent feature because the AI is sometimes known to hallucinate, meaning it can make up stuff if not trained properly. To counter this, we have the safety prompt switch. When you turn it on, you can add in topics, subjects, or anything you don't want the AI to talk about. We may not want the AI to talk about things such as Pokemon, YouTube, Facebook, cheese, or anything really. This will lessen the chances of hallucination by a huge amount. Next up we have the error message. This might happen if there are too many users asking questions at once, or if there is an error with OpenAI. You can change the error message as well. Next we can choose our LLM, which stands for Large Language Model. We have the latest GP models such as GPT-4o Mini. We also have the latest Claude models such as Sonnet 3.5. For the free trial we only allow GPT 3.5 Turbo, but this is changing soon to GPT-4o Mini. You can also change the temperature of the model. So if it's up to 1 or even 0.7, the AI may be more creative with its answers. And if it's down to 0, it will be very precise on what you trained the AI on. And you can also change the time zone. So if you're in the Pacific, you can change it to that. I'm in the UK, so I'll go United Kingdom and hit save. Next up is my favourite part, the chat interface. This is where you'll be customizing your AI chatbot in depth. Let's go through some of the main areas here, as we don't want to go too in depth in this video. So here you can add in your initial message. So we can add in, hello, how are you doing today? We could even add in an emoji. So I put a little smiley face. Oh, that one. And you'll see on the side there in real time, it will mimic what you're putting in on the left hand side. Okay, next up we have suggested messages. This allows the user to click on one of these messages or one of these sentences, and the AI will instantly respond to that message. This is good for suggesting what a user should ask. So for example, I've got here, who is BotBlitzers? What is the pricing of the essential package? Is there a free trial? You can add more, but I wouldn't add too many as it will look a bit messy in the chat. So if we go to chatbot and we'll ask, who is BotBlitzers? That'll take a few seconds. And there we go, a well detailed answer about BotBlitzers. So yeah, that's how it works. You can also add in your own custom CSS, so you can really customize every part of this chatbot. And there we go, you can change all this and add in your own. Let's go down, you can change the font family. So I'm on Noto Sans at the moment, but you could have Railway, I quite like that, or Roboto, that's quite popular. You could upload a chatbot profile picture. So if I just click here, I can upload, say, Elon Musk, and then he'll pop up there. You can remove it as well. You could display name, BotBlitzers. You can add in a message in the input placeholder. So I could put in right here, please. Upload chat icon. We could even have Elon Musk down here. And there you go, there he is. If you don't use the CSS, you can have the theme as light or dark. You can change the chatbot width, height, border radius, add shadows, change the user message color. So we could have orange, that's nice. And if we go down, you can see we have human takeover, which means we have live chat integrated into BotBlitzers. We also have a feature where the AI can hand over to a human if requested by the user. Then you'll get an email notification if this happens and a direct link to the chat. So you just put in your email here, and you can add in your own message that the AI will let the user know when the user requests to speak to a live human. So you could put in something like, please be patient, we are transferring you over to a human now. Thanks. Something like that. And below that we have display source reference link. This basically means that when a user asks a question, the AI will analyze where it gets the data from, analyze the link. So it will provide the link where it gets the data from. I usually have this, automatically it's turned on, but sometimes it looks a bit messy, so I turn it off. Next up, we have the security option. Here you can choose to have the visibility of the chatbot public or private. You can only allow the iframe and widget on specific domains, so you put in your domains here. You can also limit the messaging rate so the chatbot is not abused. This is on automatic, so it can have 20 messages every 240 seconds. So at BotBlitzers, you have the ability to capture unlimited leads, make unlimited appointments even when you're away from your desk or asleep at night. But this isn't available for free trial. So let's briefly touch base on the dashboard setting, which is just here. And first up is chat logs. Here you will see all your chats that you've had, or your AI chatbots had with a customer or a user. You can even go to revise answer and put in your expected response that you want the AI to answer to this question, and then click update answer. You can filter the chat sessions from any date that you want, and you can export to JSON if you want. You can capture unlimited leads, and these will appear here. So you can get first name, last name, email, phone number, notes, create time, links, and you can also see the same for appointments, and you can export both of these into a CSV file. Okay, in the data sources tab we have some new options, but you can also update your chatbot and retrain it at any time. So you'll see down here how many total detected characters there are, because there is a limit. On higher packages you get up to 32 million, which is equates to roughly 5 million words per chatbot, which is more than any I know. So yeah, you would just click retrain chatbot and it would be done. You will see there's a new tab called keywords trigger. This option allows you to have the AI display a certain answer depending on certain keywords. For instance, I might want the AI to answer, this is a cool feature, I really like it. And then in the keywords tab here, I would put in keywords, features, keyword options, keywords. Let's leave it at that, and it needs to be separated by a comma. So I will hit save, and then if we go to chatbot and let's type in one of those keywords, so keyword features, and there you go. This is a cool feature, I really like it. We typed in keywords, this is a cool feature, I really like it. So you can see how beneficial this can really be. Our other new option is company info. So if we click here, this is an example template. So if a user requests or requires information about your company or our company, when asked, the AI will display this information in a really neat format. So let's give it a a try. Company information. Let's see what it comes up with. There you go. Although it's not quite in a neat format, but you can add that to a prompt. But usually it has almost a bullet list or a list of each one individually on a different line. But all the information's here, and if you click on the link, it'll take you to the website, apple.com. Our next tab is Embed on Site. So if I click here, you'll be given 3 options. You can either copy the iframe and embed that anywhere on your website and add it into your HTML code, or you can copy the script which will place a chat bubble on your website on the left or right depending on where you want it, or you can grab the direct link of the chatbot and share it with someone so they can use it as well. Okay, next up we have integrations. I won't go too deep into this. For the free trial, you'll only have access to Google SMS, which is for the United States only, and also Twilio. For the higher pricing tiers, you also have access to Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, and Instagram and Telegram are to come in the near future. WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger are run through Twilio. You can also delete your chatbot by clicking here, and that will free up chatbot space so you can create another one. For other tiers, you'll have more options in your workspace. So if you click here, at the moment you only have workspace management as it's a free trial. But if you upgrade, you get live chat, a digital business card, API webhook access, and a lot more. You can also bring your own OpenAI key or Claude key for tier 3 and above. Okay, so we're currently running a special offer. If you sign up today using this form, which I'll put in the not in the comment section, in the description below, you will get 25% off your monthly subscription and 1 free extra chatbot for first time buyers only. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have many more tutorials to come, and here are a few on the side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to try out BotBlitzers at any time, and I'll see you at the next one.